Hi friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the static variable in Java. If you declare any variable as static, it is known as a static variable. The static variable can be used to refer the common property of all objects, which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name of the employee, college name of the student, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. It makes your program memory efficient. That is, the static saves the memory. Suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instance data members will get memory each time when the object is created. All students have its unique roll number and name, so instance data member is good in such a case. Here, college refers to the common property of all objects. If you want to make it static, this field will get the memory only once. The static program of the counter without the static variable. If the we have created an instance variable named count which is incremented in the constructor, since instance variable get the memory at the time of the object creation. Each object will have the copy of instance variable. It is incremented. It won't reflect other objects. So each object will have the value 1 in count variable. Java static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, it is known as static method. A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of a class. A static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. A static method can access the static data member and can change the value of it. Restriction for the static method. There are two main restrictions for the static method. They are the static method cannot use non-static data members or call non-static methods directly. This and super cannot be used in static constraint. The object is not required to call the static method if it were a non-static method. JVM creates an object first, then call main method. That will lead the problem of extra memory allocation. Thank you.